Today I'm going to share with you guys a little fun mini unit for preschoolers based on the book The Wizard of Oz. Hey guys, it's Bonnie from Mrs. Mom's Homeschool and welcome to my channel. I make videos to help you on your homeschooling journey. And I'm gonna start uploading some videos for those of you who have preschoolers, because a lot of the times, some of you have just preschoolers and you're starting this parenting and homeschooling adventure now. Some of you guys have not decided whether or not you're gonna send these little ones to school and you wanna do some activities with them at home. And some of you guys have multiple children of different age ranges and your little ones want to do some school as well. But maybe you don't feel like doing workbooks and curriculum yet. I don't have any preschoolers anymore, but I do teach a co-op class and I created a unit, not a curriculum, bunch of mini units called Fairytale Preschool, and each little lesson and daily activities are based on a different fairy tale. Most of them are fairy tales that I grew up on. And so today I'm going to share with you my little unit of The Wizard of Oz. You can find all of the printables and uploads over at my paid teacher store, and if you purchase them, I want to let you know ahead of time. Thank you for supporting me on this journey of trying to run a business while homeschooling as well. I hope you enjoy this short video. So this particular lesson plan is for The Wizard of Oz. We are using the Ladybird First Favorite Tales. I think it's very appropriate for the preschool age. It tells you all of the story. It's not too short and it's not too long. There's no scary pictures. It's very cute. After reading the story, you are going to be using the sight word cards, which you can print out and laminate. I also have like and the word I and see, and these are going to be the words you're going to review with the children or your child before they start their sight word books. So in here they have their sight word book, and they are going to be reading the sight words along with sounding out CVC words, and they're going to be circling the correct picture, but they have to be able to read the sentence with your help or without your help in order to circle the correct picture. So it's an interactive sight word book, and it gets more and more challenging at the end. Then you have these number cards, and you are going to have 1 through 12, but here just have 9 through 11, 9 through 12 actually, because these are the numbers that my preschoolers are learning, the bigger numbers. They're gonna pick, I'm gonna pick a card. You can laminate these as well. They're gonna shout out the number and spin that many times like they were little twisters. The next thing here you have is this adorable paper, toilet paper roll scarecrow craft. You basically take the toilet paper roll and you draw the little face. They glue the googly eyes on. You can pre-make a origami boat. And then you can have some hay, some artificial hay, or I just cut up some brown paper here for the hair, and then a strip of yellow paper. You can I took a separate piece of purple construction paper and glued it here and then drew the lines. And then you just have them assemble it. They're gonna need help putting the hat and the hair on with the hot glue gun, but they sell these really cute hot glue guns at Walmart that are for kids to use, and they can't get burned, and I'll post that in the description below. And then after that, they are going to make some oobleck, which is cornstarch in green water. And I have this little cup. This one, it has to be mixed up, this one. But you can see how cool oobleck is to play with. But this is representing the Wicked Witch of the West, melted. And then if you have a parachute game, you can play the parachute. So I'll place this game, but if you don't, you're basically going to, that I have for you, you're gonna print out 2 copies and you're gonna lay them in a circle. And then if you have, this will only really work if you have more than one preschooler. If your other kids can play too, because what they're supposed to do is go around in a circle, like if they're playing musical chairs, because your older kids can help your little ones learn. And you're gonna go around the words in a circle and play, like if you're playing musical chairs, when the music stops, you're gonna shout out a word, one of the sight words, and the 2 people that are standing by that sight word, have to switch sides. So this is just a fun way to practice your sight words. You can play any other sight word game as well to help your kids review those sight words. You can check out Pinterest and you'll find a ton of activities. So this is my Wizard of Oz preschool unit. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. You can find all of the principles on my Teachers Pay Teachers store. If you want to help support me and making a living doing all this stuff, I would really appreciate you guys heading over there. I'm going to put the link in the description below. You guys can go check it out. It's inexpensive. And I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you like it, let me know. Let me know. I would love to see any video clips of you guys doing it, or, you know, just any comments or whatever. All right, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.